Hey guys, this is my Lakewood S-122. Got it off eBay for like $20, 20 something dollars or something like that. But it's a two-speed. It's made by Lakewood, and it's a perfectly good fan. It's got a General Electric motor. I'll show you that here in a little bit. But anyways, here's the fan. It's a what's that say? Oh, it's a charm house. It's a charm house. Sorry if I'm very but there's the shiny metal blades. Okay, now here's the fan. There's the fan. Oh, it's on a stand, so it's a two-speed. So here's high. It's vintage but very powerful. Here's low. Got it off eBay a year ago. No, off eBay a year ago during May. Pretty neat little fan. So like either it's a 12 or 14 inch. It's in pretty good shape. There's no slats missing whatsoever. Back to high. Back to now off. Yep. Okay. Here's the back. Urgh. Excuse me. Excuse me there for just a little bit. There's the typical GE electric motor. Okay, now I'll show you the. See? It's brown. It's in a dark brown bag. Uh, what chain stores were Charm House? Because I'm not sure. I'm kind of confused here about the whole Charm House thing. But I know like that's a brown color, so I know Lakewood did have box vans, and J.C. Penney box vans did weren't in that color, were they or not? But it's in pretty good shape. It's on a stand and everything else, and there's the handle. Typical regular early. This is the early version of the Lakewood S-122, and last but not least, y'all want to startup noise. Let's go ahead and get that camera a little closer. Let's get that a little closer. Let's try that again. It's pretty good startup sound. Let's turn it on low. There we go. It's got a GE motor. Already said that. I already said that the first time. Pretty powerful old vintage fan. Sorry about that little manly man grunt, but anyway. Here's some other stuff I have. Okay, so and also here are the oils that I use to oil my this is the typical 3-in-1 electric motor oil. If you can get this at your local hardware store, you can get this at you can get I don't know, Home Depot, my local Home Depot. Um they don't sell this oil. They don't sell it. It's got the blue can, and it's got SAE 20 oil, 20 weight oil, motor oil. Special blend for one-fourth horsepower motors or larger. There's the thing it says power saws, fans, lawnmowers, and shop tools. Pretty good oil. Got it a year ago. And here's something. Here's something you guys might recognize. Most of you HVAC repair people or people who work with HVAC, who work on air conditioners and stuff. This is a zoom spout oiler. But this is the thing can be extended. The thing can be extended. That's a special cool feature I include in this video. So this oil contains no detergents. Used by professional mechanics and technicians all over the world. Oils whatever it needs oiling. Paraffin base, non-gumming, rust and oxidation, inhibited, withstands high temperatures, a must for heater blowers. And that's right. That's right, guys. When I get older, I'm going to be an HVAC guy. I'm going to be working on air conditioners and stuff. So anyway, that's it. So this is my Lakewood S-122, and thanks for watching. I'm going to upload this today, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Bye.